This is going to really cause some reaction in you. A couple in San Diego got a shocking anonymous letter from a neighbor. It called them out for living in a 2-bedroom condo near the beach with their kids. The letter says the parents are selfish for not getting a big enough home with a yard for them to play in. It ends with, shame on you. Okay, whoever wrote this letter, shame on you.
Yeah, only 2 kids, and then little kids, so they probably shared a bedroom. And then I initially heard the story. I thought maybe like my mom's family, she had 14 brothers and sisters,
right?
In a shack in North Dakota, and that's all they could afford.
But that's all they could afford. You know what? Sometimes parents can be the biggest bullies of anybody.
Yes,
just mind your own business. I'm sure the kids are well provided for.
Yeah, and I think that they should just leave them alone. Mind your own business.
All right, I'm sorry I said the letter.
Mind your own business.
Yeah.
Sounds like they're loved, which is most important.